Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Got another unboxing video for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Saberforge Do-It-Yourself Build Kit. Just came out and I ordered it within a day or two of it releasing. All right. This order took less than 3 weeks to get here. In case you're not familiar with the do-it-yourself build kit, like I just mentioned, it's only about 3 weeks old. It was announced by Saberforge CEO on Facebook before they released it, and basically it is for anyone who wants to buy an empty and then install the electronics yourself and avoid the build time, and it's supposed to save you about $200 if you were to order a comparably built Saber. So let's see what all comes in here. We've got the plug, and we have a USB mini beep plug. Nice braided wire, that's a nice touch. So this is supposed to come with everything to build your Saber with, except for the hilt obviously, and the blade. In a previous video when I unboxed my recent Saberforge Talon empty, I said that a blade would be included with this. It is not included. I was wrong. So it looks like this includes a chassis, 18650 battery already installed in the chassis, all the necessary wires. So when you order these, there's two categories of choices. You can choose to buy the do-it-yourself build kit with a NeoPixel connector, and then you have to supply your own NeoPixel blade, obviously, just like you'd have to supply your own blade for the LED. Or I think for $10 more you can choose an LED. And so we have their copper heatsink here. It's already wired, and I chose purple because I think that would be a great color for that Talon. And everything with the heatsink's already installed. We've got our positive and negative wire already soldered for us. What else? Alright, here's our speaker. I believe it's supposed to be a 28mm heavy bass speaker. Put that in there. We have a momentary switch. That's nice. I'm not even sure what this board is for because this is my first time dealing with the Saberforge electronics. The recharge port, naturally. So we have a recharge port. It's got its own board to regulate the voltage, and that should work with a stunt saber, I imagine, even without the soundboard. And last but certainly not least, we have a Golden Harvest V3 soundboard. So this is the top of the line soundboard that Saberforge is offering, and what's nice is on top of the Golden Harvest V3 the SD card that is already pre-installed should have 23 Saberforge sound fonts that are smooth swing ready pre-installed. So, wow, that's awesome. Well, that's going to be it for the unboxing. Tell me what you think about this Saberforge do-it-yourself kit. I'm really excited about it. You have the ability to really cut down shipping times. I bought that empty and it did not take but about a month or so to ship, I believe, and this shipped in just under 3 weeks. If you're willing to do a little soldering yourself, you could have a really nice Saberforge Saber in a couple of months, fully decked out with the color of your choosing, 23 smooth swing sound fonts. I'm really excited. We're going to do some future build videos. All right, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Saberforge do-it-yourself build kit? If you like this video, let us know with a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you for watching.